Hello everyone, how are you today guys? So I'm here again. It's me, your Calabs Joanne. Andito naman tayo guys. It's time for me to coffee again guys. It's merienda time. Kumusta kayo dyan? Lahat na ba nakapag-merienda na ba kayo dyan lahat? Ang water ko guys is hindi na masyado, ang coffee ko hindi na masyado mainit. Hindi ko kasi natimpla kaagad guys. Kaya, mainit so far. Mainit pa naman. Hindi talaga as in. Masarap talaga yung mainit ba talaga. Kain. It's biscuit na naman tayo, guys. Kasi wala naman akong bread. At this moment. Kain. Let's have it. Coffee. Kayo dyan guys, lahat na ba nakapag-merienda na? Anong mga merienda nyo dyan guys? Or updates, no? Tayo, our updates, we are feeling, ano na guys, I am feeling fresh na tayo. Kaligo na, feel good, thank you Lord, feel fresh. And a good smile. Diba? So, don't forget to smile guys. Always talaga yan. Kahit dito ka lang mag-smile. Oh, it can helps na talaga yan guys. For the whole day, you can smile. Charis. Ha? Diba? Ganun lang yun. Ang buhay natin. Huwag sayangin ang panahon. Diba? You do what you can do happy to your life. What you can feel happy, no? Ano ba yan? Ayun na yun, guys. Kung saan kayo masaya, doon na, guys. Kung masaya kayo sa mga ginagawa nyo, guys. So, do it. Keep going, no? Keep continue. Dapat, you enjoy, no, guys? We enjoy. What are you doing in your life? Enjoy life lang guys, to the fullest. Kahit papano, no? Huwag stressin ang life guys. Ay ako nga guys, hindi na lang talaga ako magsabi o magsalita pa. Mga speaking of mga stress, naku, sanay na ako niyan guys. So, but I handle it. I can handle it. Thank you Lord. Always guide me. So, yun lang guys ang update natin. So, thank you so much. See you next again in my next video guys. Bye! See you in my next vlog. God bless everyone.